Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable always on display on the HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So if you want to enable always on display, which is a screen that is on even when the phone is turned off, just like this, all you need to do is unlock the phone first, then go to settings, scroll down to the home screen and style section, tap on that, tap on always on display, and here we're going to tap on this little icon on the top right and enable always on display. So if it's enabled, it's going to ask you if you want to enable it now, like that. But if you want to enable it or disable it, you need to tap on the 4 little dots on the top, and then it's going to ask you right here if you want to turn it on or off. And now we have always on display turned on, and we have a few options that we can change. For example, we can change it to like an image with the timer. We can add some text, we can add different themes, or even an analog clock. So you tap on the thing that you want to add, press apply, and it's going to be added. So now if we turn off our phone, turn on always on display, this is what the always on display is going to look like. Now keep in mind that the always on display is going to use a little more battery, not a significant amount because it's mostly a black screen and the refresh rate drops a little. So it's not always going to use as much battery, but it's going to use more than just not having the always on display. So if you want to have as much battery as you want, just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.